Hi folks, welcome back. Another short video from the Audiofile-Incar. Been an interesting week this week. We've completed all sorts of wonderful stuff, but amongst that, there's this McLaren 720. So this is the car that we're going to feature this week. Gorgeous looking car, as you can see. We've kept everything looking as standard as possible, so we've kept the infotainment system exactly the same. We've upgraded the front speakers, so we've used Audison components in there, and we've soundproofed the doors, but you have to be pretty careful because obviously you cannot add much weight to these doors, otherwise they won't go up and down. We've also added a DSP amplifier, which is all tucked away nicely, but the magic to the system, James wanted some real bass in this one. It's the second McLaren we've done for him, so what we've added is that. So that's a JL Audio 10 TW3. It's an incredible subwoofer in a very slim enclosure. What you can't see is the whole base of that enclosure curves up to nothing behind the back, because the back of the storage area in these just disappears away. We've put the McLaren logo in the front of the Alcantara. We've managed to match the Alcantara absolutely perfectly. It's all been trimmed in-house, fabricated in-house. There are studs that come up from the engine compartment fixings that protrude from the bottom of the box, and then they are bolted down, so the enclosure is bolted down from inside, so it's never going to go anywhere. We don't want it rattling obviously in a car like this, and it won't. We've routed in some little details, as you can see, just to break it up. It looks absolutely stunning. The bass is incredible. It really suits the car, and you need a bit of bass in a car like this because obviously it's a fairly noisy environment, so when you wind it up you need to be able to hear the music over the engine, and we've achieved that. So there you go. Not sure whether we're going to put a grill on there or not. James is coming to pick the car up in a moment. We'll let him make the decision. Does he want a grill or does he not want a grill? So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. A supercar hi-fi completed. It's taken us about a week to do this. It's been a lot of work, but wow, what a result. Thank you very much for watching.